Good morning, student of class 5. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. So, student, I am teaching you chapter number 18. Today date is 9/10/2020 and the name of the chapter is Indian National Movement. So, take out one rough copy and open page number 108, and what important points I am writing on the board you can note down in the rough copy. So student, let's start from things to remember. The Queen of England took over the control of the Indian territories after the mutiny of 1857. So after the revolt of 1857, what happened, student? I have already explained you. There is the end of East India Company, and now the administration of India comes in the hands of British people, or you can say British government. Second, leaders like Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar, Sir Syed Ahmad Khan and Dayanand Saraswati tried to change the society. So these leaders are also known as social reformers. Okay, social reformer means the person जिन्होंने समाज को सुधारने के लिए बहुत से प्रयास किए. Okay, so at that time, student, there are many social evils in our society like sati pratha, female infanticide, child marriage, caste system. So these are the social reformers who strongly protested against these social evils of the society. सोसाइटी में ये जो बुराइयां थी इनका इन्होंने स्ट्रांगली क्या किया? विरोध किया. प्रोटेस्टेड मीन्स विरोध करना. ओके, एंड दे एजुकेटेड द पीपल also so that these types of social evils can be removed from the society. Next, the Indian National Congress was started by Alan Octavian Hume, founded the INC. So when in 1885 Indian National Congress, we saw the rise of the Indian National Congress in 1885. And what was the name of the person who started INC, that is Indian National Congress? He was an Englishman and his name was Alan Octavian Hume. The Congress, next, the Congress had two groups of moderates and extremists. So At that time, Congress is the first political party of India, and there are two groups in Indian National Congress. One group leaders are known as moderates. They aware the British administration about the difficulties or problems which are faced by the Indian people in the British rule, and they have a very soft approach for that. And another group of leaders in the Indian National Congress, that is extremes, they are very aggressive. They are very aggressive. Their approach is aggressive. What they want? They want Purna Swaraj. It means complete freedom of our country, India, from the British administration. So these are the two groups. One is moderates and other is extremes. Next is Lal Bal Pal. Demand Purna Swaraj. What does it means? It means complete freedom. And this slogan is given by a Bal Gangadhar Tilak, that freedom is my birthright and I shall have it. फ्रीडम क्या है? हमारा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है. इज इट क्लियर? और ये होना चाहिए. आई शैल हैव इट. सो दिस स्लोगन इज गिवन बाय बाल गंगाधर तिलक. नेक्स्ट, द स्वदेशी आंदोलन स्टार्टेड after the British announced the partition of Bengal. So student, what happens at that time when the British government is ruling at that time and they are not doing anything for the welfare of the peoples of India, then what happens? People become more angry. Now they stand against British administration. So what comes in the mind of British administration at that time? They thought that let divide the Bengal, because at that time Bengal is a big state. So their policy is that by dividing Bengal they can create a gap between Hindus and Muslims. In this way they can break their unity also. But what happens? The political leaders of Indian National Congress stand against this, and there is a boycott, and after that the name is given Swadeshi Andolan. And what happens in this Andolan? A huge bonfire. Indian people burn foreign goods publicly. Publicly, the people burn the foreign goods. Now, Andolan is that Swadeshi Andolan means we will use only the things which are made in India. We will not use the things of the other country. So there is a huge bonfire publicly of the foreign goods. Okay. So what is the result come up in the last after this Swadeshi Andolan? The result of this Swadeshi Andolan is that the British had to take back their decision of partition the Bengal. British has to take their decision back that now they will not divide the Bengal. Is it clear? Now next point, the freedom struggle found a new direction by the coming of Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. So Mahatma Gandhi in 1950, Mahatma Gandhi come to India from South Africa. Now a new direction, people gets the new direction for the fight of the freedom against the British, and this new direction to the people for the fight of a freedom, this is given by Mahatma Gandhi. Okay, so these are the things to remember of this chapter, students, and these points are very important. If you after reading the chapter, you must read keywords and things to remember. If you are able to understand all this, because these things are given the complete summary of the chapter. This is the complete summary of the chapter, and if you are able to understand this point, it means your concepts are clear. Now student, open page number 108. We will start with the book exercises. Question number A, tick the correct answer. It means for the one question there are four options are given to you, student, and out of these four options you have to choose the right option. Okay, so book exercises you will complete in your book only. In classwork copy you will write question answers of the chapter and you will draw the diagram, and book exercises you will complete in the book. So first question is, the British tried to divide Bengal in the year. So student, the British tried to divide Bengal in the year, 4 options are given. So British want to divide the Bengal so that they want to break a unity between Hindus and Muslims, and in this way they can control the people at that time. But due to Swadeshi Andolan, the things become changed. There is a huge bonfire publicly. People burn the foraging goods, that I have already told you just now also. People burn the foraging goods publicly, and in the last the British have to change their decision of dividing the or partition of the Bengal. They have to change their decision. So in which year it happens? In 1915? No, in 1950 Gandhiji returned from South Africa. So this is not a right answer. In 1910, this is also not a right answer. In 1911, this is also not a right answer. So the right answer is 1905. In 1905, the British tried to divide Bengal in the year 1905. So option number C is the right answer. Here also you can write 1905. Note down in your book. Question number 2. Freedom is birthright and I shall have it. Who said this? Freedom is my birthright. राइट मीन्स होता है बेटा अधिकार. ठीक है. एंड आई शैल हैव इट. Who said this? Option number 1, Tilak. Option number, it is given not 1A. Option number A, option number B, Gandhi ji. J.K. गोखले. फिरोज शाह. C, name of the 4 leaders are given in this question number 2 option. Freedom is my birthright. and I shall have it. Who said this? So this famous slogan is given by Tilak, and the full name of the leader Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Full name of the leader is Bal Gangadhar Tilak. So option number A is the right answer. Note down from the board. Now see, Congress was founded in the year option A 1885, option B 1890, option C 1875, and option D 1895. So student, who founded the Indian National Congress? Indian National Congress was founded by a Englishman, and his name is Alan Octavian Hume. He was the person who founded Indian National Congress, and in the year 1885. So option number A is the right answer. Note down the answer. Question number 4. The person who took took over the administration of the British Empire? Viceroy, Lord Major, Governor. So student, after the revolt of 1857, so whole administration of India comes under the hand of a British rule. So they send, so right answer is viceroy. So what is the meaning of a viceroy? This is the person which is sent by the British Empire in India. ठीक है भाई, उनकी अपनी कंट्री भी तो थी, उन्होंने, सो दे वाइसराइज मोस्ट इज द, आप कह सकते हो कि सबसे बड़ा अधिकारी कहाँ के लिए, इंडिया के लिए। और ये किसने भेजा था? ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट ने। ठीक है, सो इंडिया के एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन का सारा कंट्रोल, इंडिया में जो भी रूल रेगुलेशन जो भी कुछ होगा, सारा कंट्रोल किसके हैंड में था? वाइसराय के। सो he was the representative, okay, he was the representative, ऐसा अधिकारी था जिसे इंग्लैंड ने भेजा था, ब्रिटिश पीपल ने, जिसने इंडिया का जो पूरा एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन था, जो शासन था, दैट वाज इज इन हिज कंट्रोल। ठीक है, क्लियर हो गया? सो राइट आंसर इज वाइसरॉय। ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज द राइट आंसर। नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, स्वदेशी आंदोलन, स्वदेशी आंदोलन was started in, ऑप्शन नंबर ए बंगाल, बी बिहार, सी उत्तर प्रदेश, उड़ीसा। सो स्टूडेंट, फ्रॉम वेयर द स्वदेशी आंदोलन वाज स्टार्टेड? सो स्टूडेंट, स्वदेशी आंदोलन was started from Bengal, because when the British people are unable to control the people of India, then they thought that how to create a gap between Hindus and Muslim. So what come in their mind? How they can break the unity of Hindus and Muslim. So they thought that they will break up, do the partition of Bengal, and it happens in 1905. So from where this is started in Bengal. This is started in Bengal. So Bengal is the right answer. Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Odisha is not a right answer. Take this Bengal. Okay, thank you, student.